Well, I thought, this Saturday morning will make it quite positive, especially for the students here. And I think my ultimate message was, Malaysia is still a very attractive place for capital investment. Right? And the outlook is great at the moment in terms of GDP forecast, in terms of the rate of inflation sort of cooling, right? And also the economic outlook for Malaysia. It also helps the currency is strengthening, but investor sentiment is quite high. So my ultimate message for the students was it's a great time to be in project management. It's recognized as a high value skill set. There's also plenty of work and opportunity, but also it requires a shift in terms of the capability. We need to be a bit more agile, need to manage our stakeholders. There's going to be constant revisit of perhaps projects and programs and challenge that comes on board, complexity, especially in the environment that we're dealing with. And that's probably the future of project management, where the students can embrace that to be ready for the workforce. Well, the advantage for me, the fact that I'm doing this on a Saturday morning, it's quite refreshing, right? Because us in the industry, we get perhaps not much opportunity to interact with the next generation of talent that's coming into the workforce. So I think it's a nice, refreshing opportunity. It's a good exchange as well. The students had good questions, right? They were thinking, right? And they were sort of mentally, connecting it, I think, with what they are learning or the research projects that's in flight at the moment. So it was good dialogue, good exchange. We also got to hear about some of the analytics and some of the challenging questions that perhaps are crunching in their mind. So for me, it was refreshing. Thanks for inviting me, and hopefully we can do more of this in the future. Yeah.
It was very engaging and fun. I think from this session, we gained a lot of insights of how Malaysia is doing, especially on the construction sector. So I think, I'm looking forward to have such this kind of event, and I'm going forward in different sessions and also in different topics in the near future.
Of course, I think this is very insightful. Come from the industry player itself, which is it provide a real experience, real insight that I think the benefit from this MBA candidate is very, very tremendous.